My name is Will Petenbrink. I run a 39 yellowfin, and I'm a pro staffer for Raymarine. Growing up in Jacksonville as a beach bum, surfing from the beach, surfing from the jetties, all around all the inlets, I caught my first fish off the jetty. It was actually a redfish, and then I was addicted to fishing from then on. I moved to Homosassa 25 years ago and fell in love with offshore fishing and was able to make Crystal River my second home after several years of hard work.
Hi, my name's Jacob Hartman. I fish out of Crystal River, Florida. I got out of Pete's Pier and I also got out of Plantation. I grew up here in beautiful Crystal River. I've fished since I was 10 and been guiding since I was 18, got my captain's license shortly after I turned 18. It's a career I'll never change. It's my passion.
Crystal River has a diverse fishery, from inshore reds and snook to trout to offshore for gags. Crystal River has an average water temperature of 76 degrees and has allowed this fishery to flourish.
Crystal River is very unique, stays shallow for a long time. So we've got an awesome shallow water grouper fishery like no other place in the world. It's amazing. I mean, you can catch gags in 8 foot of water, you can catch gags in 80 foot of water. It's a massive variety of where you can catch the fish, and the inshore fishing here is amazing for redfish, snook, trout. We're even getting an influx of permit as well.
Even though we catch several different species of fish in this area, my favorite fish to go after are gag grouper and American red snapper.
I've been fishing with Will for 3 years now. Awesome dude. He's become more of a real close friend than a client. Honestly, I mean, he's real soft-spoken, humble, very successful. When he gets that fish on the line, that energy changes real quick. He gets loud, excited, and happy. I've been fishing with Will so much, like I've learned a ton from the guy. So he's soft-spoken, but when he talks, I listen.
One cool thing about our area is we have the plantation on Crystal River where you can go fishing all day, bring your catch in, they'll cook your dinner for you and serve it.
It's awesome to see how amazing this fishery is. Super healthy fishery. I can't wait to one day share it with my daughters.
Fortunately, with a little hard work, it has afforded me to do what I love, and that is fishing. And I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon.